Today, we're going to uncover what happens to your body when you do a plank for 1 minute every day. We'll explore 10 amazing benefits of doing a daily 1-minute plank. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to improve your fitness, this video is for you. Ever imagined transforming your body by dedicating just 1 minute of your day? Seems impossible? Stay with me until the end of the video and discover how daily planking can revolutionize your health and well-being. And at the end, we'll have a special bonus that you'll definitely enjoy. Let's go! Let's start with the basics. The first benefit of the plank is core strengthening. But why is this so important? A strong core not only improves your posture but also protects your spine from injuries. During the plank, you activate your abdominal, lower back, and oblique muscles, creating a solid base that supports your entire body. The second benefit of doing a plank for 1 minute every day is posture improvement. Have you ever felt back pain after spending hours sitting or lying down? The plank helps to align your spine, promoting correct posture both standing and sitting. And how does this happen? By maintaining a static position during the plank, you strengthen the muscles that support the spine, reducing the tendency to slouch or lean forward. The next benefit is increased muscle strength throughout the body, especially in the shoulders, arms, and legs. The plank is an isometric exercise that works multiple muscle groups at the same time. This means that while you hold the position, your muscles are constantly contracting to support your body weight, resulting in increased strength and endurance. The fourth benefit is an increased metabolism. Although it is a static exercise, the plank burns calories and helps with weight loss. In just 1 minute, you activate several muscle groups at the same time, increasing calorie expenditure. The plank is a compound exercise that involves multiple muscles simultaneously, which results in a greater calorie burn compared to other abdominal exercises. When you plank daily, even for just 1 minute, you are constantly challenging and strengthening your muscles. This increase in muscle mass speeds up your metabolism, causing your body to burn more calories throughout the day, even when you are at rest. Therefore, the plank contributes to a continuous improvement in your overall metabolism. The fifth benefit is improved overall balance. Maintaining the plank position requires balance and stability, skills that transfer to other exercises and sporting activities. The abdominal strength gained through regular plank practice is directly related to your ability to maintain balance. When you strengthen your core muscles, such as your abs and obliques, you improve your body's stability, which is essential for sports activities and for preventing falls in everyday life. A strong core helps to better distribute body weight, making it easier to maintain balance even in challenging situations, such as on uneven surfaces or during fast movements. So, the plank not only enhances your muscle strength, but also ensures that you can move with more confidence and security. Friends, if you're enjoying and seeing value in this video so far, and if you always want to receive content on health, sports, fitness, and quality of life, take a second now to subscribe to our channel. Practicing planks regularly increases your muscular endurance, allowing you to perform more intense exercises for longer periods. Greater muscular endurance means less fatigue during physical activities, improving your overall performance and allowing you to achieve more ambitious fitness goals. The plank also contributes to the flexibility of the spine and shoulders, preventing tension and muscle pain. During the plank, muscles continuously stretch and contract, increasing range of motion and promoting greater flexibility in the joints, which reduces stiffness and improves mobility. In addition to the physical benefits, the plank brings mental benefits, such as improved concentration and stress reduction, promoting a calmer and more focused mind. And why does this happen? Maintaining the plank requires focus and full attention, which helps to train the mind to focus on the present. In addition, physical exercise releases endorphins, neurotransmitters that improve mood and reduce stress. With a strong core, you have the ninth benefit, which is improved performance in other exercises, such as running, lifting weights, and playing sports. A strengthened core stabilizes the body during dynamic movements, increasing efficiency and reducing muscle fatigue, allowing you to perform more complex exercises with greater ease and safety. The 10th benefit of doing a 1-minute plank every day is that it's a time saver. In just 1 minute a day, you get significant benefits for your body, making the plank a perfect option for those with a busy routine. And why is this ideal? The plank is an efficient exercise that can be done anywhere, without the need for equipment, allowing you to easily integrate it into your daily routine without compromising your time. Now, for those who have watched this far, as promised, we will present the bonus, which consists of explaining the 11th benefit of doing a plank for 1 minute every day. And this benefit is desired by many people. The 11th benefit is abdominal definition. Doing planks daily is one of the most effective ways to define your abs. During the plank, you intensely activate your abdominal muscles, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transversus abdominis. This constant activation helps to tone and strengthen these muscles, resulting in a more defined and firm appearance. In addition, the plank contributes to the reduction of abdominal fat by increasing calorie expenditure and improving metabolism, which helps in burning localized fat. Combined with a balanced diet and other physical exercises, the plank can be a powerful tool to achieve a more defined and aesthetically pleasing abdomen. Now that you know the 11 benefits of planking every day for 1 minute, it's time to put it into practice. Here are some tips to get started. Maintain the correct posture, making sure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Breathe regularly, maintaining a steady breathing rhythm. Gradually increase the time, starting with 30 seconds and increasing to 1 minute as your endurance improves. And vary your planks, experimenting with different variations to work different muscle groups and avoid monotony. Remember, consistency is very important to achieve lasting results. Ready to start your daily plank journey? Friends, tell us here in the comments, do you currently plank? For how long? Share it with us. It will be very interesting to know, and your comments may encourage others to start the practice. Consider subscribing to our channel if you enjoyed this content, and so you always receive our new videos on health, sports, fitness, and quality of life. And show your support by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. We also recommend that you watch our other videos on the channel. The links are here on the screen. Until the next video, stay healthy and thank you.